Hello there, this is a tutorial video on demonstrating the foldable features on my Fingard Commute bike. On a side note, thank you for 400 subscribers reached on May the 2nd on a Thursday. Next target is 500 subscribers. I need a screwdriver to demonstrate this tutorial. The first foldable part, unscrew the screw here, twist it to the left to loosen it. It's already loosened. Move this to the right. Release this lever and fold this part down. Now for the second foldable part. Make sure this tiny black plastic piece is lifted up. Then release this silver lever, which I already done off camera, as it was very tough to get it released. Like this. It's already released. It allows the bicycle to be folded in half. In half, as you can see. I'm going to place it right on the ground. Like that. Oh, like that. This feature comes in flexible when you want to carry it inside the vehicle or store it inside the building without taking too much space. Now we're going to reverse the tutorial and put this bicycle back to normal. I have to lift it up like this, then fold this part in. Make sure I put this silver piece in place, the silver lever is tightened. Then put the black plastic piece, the tiny black plastic piece, down. Then I put the handlebar up, put this black lever and lock it in place. Then put this piece, turn it to the left, and tighten up. Both of these levers are secured in place. I think this is the end of the tutorial now. Like this video, comment down below, subscribe if you're interested, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon to be alerted for future videos.